Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. Thought for the day is life is more easier or happier when we regret or when we apologize that you never got. Okay, students, in previously video we learned parameter of rectangle and parameter of square, formula of that, as well as area of rectangle and area of square. Parameter of rectangle means 2 in bracket length plus b. Parameter of square, it's 4 multiplied by side. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, and area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. Okay, and today based on that rules or that parameter and area, now we started our next lesson, that is a lesson number 3, how many squares. In that lesson we can find area and parameter with formula also or without formula by calculating that squares are given in the grid. Okay, जो grid में आपको squares दिए जाएंगे उसके बेस पे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम विदाउट फॉर्मूला कर क्या कर सकते हैं, दिए हुए फिगर का हम एरिया और पैरामीटर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट दैट लेसन. हाउ मेनी squares? Here one square box is given. In that box dotted sheet is there. Okay, and that sheet number of dots are there and they are asking some question about that. Measure the side of the red square on the dotted sheet. Okay, in that dotted sheet they are making one square and they are saying that measure the side of that square sheet. And now I measure that side of that square sheet. It's a 1 centimeter. Okay, every side having the 1 centimeter. That means all sides are equal. And which shape it was? It is a square shape. Okay, then they are asking draw here as many rectangles as possible using 12 such squares. 12 such square में से यानी like that only you have to take 12 squares और using 12 squares आप कितने rectangle draw कर सकते हो वो आपको find करना है. ओके, तो ये फर्स्ट rectangle, that means opposite sides are equal. So ये होगा first rectangle, then second, then third. Okay, I am taking up and down. If you are taking like that, is it okay? Okay, then कैसे भी लो आपको number of quantity of rectangle same ही find होंगे. Okay, that means every rectangle having the 2 blocks and 2 squares, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. That means here we are using 12 such square, and from that 12 squares we found that is how many rectangle, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and its whole. Okay, that means how many rectangles could you make? Here we are making 7 rectangles. Understood, students? We are making 7 rectangles. Okay, like that. Here's one. Okay, like that you are making 1 2 3 4 5 6 and whole it is a 7. Each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So all have the same area but the length of the boundary will be different. मतलब 12 स्क्वायर से आप नंबर ऑफ या डिफरेंट शेप्स के डिफरेंट साइजेस के रेक्टेंगल्स फॉर्म कर सकते हो. समटाइम्स अगर आप ऐसे बनाओगे 12 12 ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. okay, previously as we say area of rectangle, that means length multiply by breadth. और हमने जो प्रीवियसली बनाया है उसकी लेंथ क्या है, इट्स 4 सेंटीमीटर, और ब्रेथ क्या है, इट्स 2 सेंटीमीटर, 1 2. ओके, दैट मीन्स ईच रेक्टेंगल इज मेड अप ऑफ 12 इक्वल, दैट मीन्स उसका अगर हम एरिया, सो ऑल हैव द सेम एरिया, उनका दोनों का एरिया क्या हो सकता है, सेम हो सकता है, बट देयर लेंथ ऑफ बाउंड्री विल बी डिफरेंट, लेंथ ऑफ बाउंड्री क्या हो जाएगी, डिफरेंट हो जाएगी. हाउ, ओके, विच ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल हैज अ लॉन्गेस्ट पैरामीटर, किसका लॉन्गेस्ट पैरामीटर आएगा, द रेक्टेंगल हैविंग अ 12 लेंथ एंड 1 ब्रेड्थ. रेक्टेंगल पैरामीटर मीन्स क्या होता है, सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. ओके, सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज द 1 + 12 या 12 + 1 दैट इज द सेम, दैट इज द पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल हो जाएगा आपका, सॉरी, दैट में पैरामीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल दैट इज द 2 लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. अगर फॉर्मूला अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉर्मूला वी आर डूइंग दैट, that means longest parameter when L is equal to 1 and B is equal to 12, so parameter is 2L plus B, that is 2L is 1, it's 12, 12 plus 1, it's a 13, 13 2s are it's 26. It's a longest parameter. Okay, which rectangle has the smallest parameter, किसका पैरामीटर स्मॉलेस्ट आएगा वो आपको फाइंड करना है. दैट मीन्स लेंथ इट्स 3 और 4 और 2 और 4, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आप फाइंड करोगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका स्मॉलेस्ट पैरामीटर हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक दैट ओनली दे आर गिविंग अ प्रैक्टिस टाइम, दैट इज दे आर गिविंग हियर ऑल्सो वन dotted shade or grid shade, but here they are giving the pictures of some stamps. Okay, stamp A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 stamps they are giving, and you have to find the parameter as well as area of some stamps according to their questions. First question, how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? How many squares in 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? That means stamp A ने 1 centimeter के कितने squares occupy किए या कितने cover किए. Okay, we just calculated that how many squares are there, 1 2 3. Okay, that means उनकी जो breadth आएगी वो 3 है. That means 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. How many squares covered by the stamp A? It's a 18 squares. Understood student? You just count it, that squares they are given, and write it. Okay, and stamp B, stamp B where it was, it's a, okay, second one stamp. And how many squares square by the stamp B? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, यानी stamp B covered 8 squares. Okay students, like that only you have to solve that. Okay, अगर हम पैरामीटर फाइंड करना चाहते हैं स्टैम्प A का, okay, तो कितना हो जाएगा, देखो पैरामीटर दैट मीन्स लेंथ, here that shape is a rectangle shape because opposite sides are equal, all sides are not equal. That means you just count how much length, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 लेंथ हो जाएगी 6 एंड ब्रेथ हो जाएगी 1 2 3, यानी L is equal to 6 and B is equal to 3. Okay, so by the formula you have to do 2L plus B, like that only. Okay, if they are asking. Next one question, which stamp has the biggest area? Which stamp having the biggest area? How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Okay, किसका area biggest area है, you have to find that, as well as they are asking to us the stamp having the biggest area, तो उसने कितने squares occupy किए या cover किए, that one you have to find it. Here that area means previously we learned that is the parameter means क्या है, the sum of length of the boundary. boundary की जो length होती है that is the parameter. और एरिया मीन्स क्या होता है, जो उसने एरिया ऑक्यूपाई किया है, यानी स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई किया है इनसाइड ऑफ दैट. ओके, ये होता है आपका एरिया. ओके, तो हियर विच स्टैम्प इज द लॉन्गेस्ट स्टैम्प या लार्जेस्ट स्टैम्प? इट्स बिगेस्ट स्टैम्प. इट्स अ स्टैम्प ए. तो ऑब्वियसली स्टैम्प ए हैविंग द biggest area. How? Its length 1 2 3 4 5 6 and it's 3. An area of rectangle, that is the length multiplied by breadth, then 6 multiplied by 3, it's 18. And as well as square covered by that biggest area is how much? Previously already we counted, it's 18 square centimeter. Okay students, like that only you have to write in that textbook, but in detail notes I am sending in a Gurukul app, our school app. Okay students, third one question, which two stamps have the same area? You just count it, how many squares occupied by every stamp, and just observe which two stamps having the same area. Okay, it's 18, it's 1 2 3 4, that is the 8. Then 1 2 3, 3 2s are 6. Then 1 2 3 4, or it's 3, the 4 3s are 12. It's 4, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4, and 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12. That means stamp D and stamp F having the same area by the formula 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. How much is area of each this स्टैम्प्स? दोनों का एरिया कितना है वो फाइंड करना है. ओके, इट्स अ 12 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. द एरिया ऑफ द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टैम्प, विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट स्टैम्प? इट इज अ स्टैम्प ई, और उसका एरिया कितना है? 1 2 3 4, या साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड यानी 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, इट्स 4 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. The difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp in the 14 square centimeter. Biggest area it's 18, smallest it's 4, 18 minus 4 it's a 14 square centimeter. Understood students? Okay, without formula and with formula we have to find here parameter as well as area of the stamp, and observing that pictures we find the difference between the areas and parameter. Okay students, they are saying that collect some old stamp, place on the square grid and find their area and the parameter, like that there are. Okay students, in next video we learn our we start our the next topic, that how big is my hand, or some questions are they are giving. Okay, today we learn that is the without calculation or with calculation how to find parameter and area of the given picture when then the pictures given in the grids. Okay students, thank you.